Introducing project sharing with meviy. Experience a major upgrade to how your team collaborates in meviy with project sharing. Now, entire project folders can be shared, making it easier than ever for engineers, managers, and purchasers to work together. View, edit, and approve parts seamlessly in one centralized workspace, no matter who's on the team. Even if someone leaves the company, your shared projects stay right where they belong. Collaboration, simplified. We'll walk you through how to share a project on meviy. Start by uploading a 3D CAD file. Or, create a folder and upload multiple CAD files for a project. To select an individual model, check the box next to the model, then click the Share button. A Share settings box will display to select share type. Enter email address to specify users, select your customer code and other share permissions. A confirmation message will display. The shared user will receive an email and must log in to meviy via the link to access the project and will now see shared projects or folders. Set permissions for each folder by clicking on the three dots next to folder and click Manage Sharing. Once shared, any edits made to the shared projects such as model details and part numbers will be updated for all shared users. The History of Issued Part Number function can be used to track previous part numbers issued and general changes made when new part numbers are issued after confirming the quoting conditions. Once shared, any edits made to the shared projects such as model details and part numbers will be updated for all shared users. New projects added to a shared folder are automatically accessible to all shared users for viewing or editing. Easily organize projects with custom folders like In Progress or Ready to Purchase, each with set permissions. Shared projects can be moved or duplicated, and customer order numbers help track revisions. Project sharing is complete. Thank you for watching the project sharing walkthrough.